Welcome back, guys. The next thing I would like to talk to you about is the draw system that I opted for. I went for the Gearmate draw system, which is a UK company and it's made in Britain, and it's a beast. I went for the split system with the 300mm draws. You get the system in a 400, 300 and a 226. I will have to check and I'll put it somewhere on the screen just to make sure. The 300 was the optimal size for me because it still gives me a usable height between my kitchen and the top of the bed above the drawer itself. The 400 was just too much. It's a gap about that much that you just couldn't use. It's an impractical size, but yeah, it fits well. It comes with the slide out tray that's fully extended, and on there I have my Snowmaster 56 litre twin compartment fridge freezer, and it fits a ammo box very well. This one is by Tentco. Frontrunner has them. They are based on the old South African ammo boxes that they used in the 80s and 90s. They might actually still be in use. I am not sure. I will check again. To operate the slide itself, it's usually a two-handed affair, but you press the button and in it goes, and it has a reassuring click when it goes in. Now the drawer itself, it's got a fairly robust top. It can carry 800 kilograms, and the drawer itself, which is fully extended and it gives you 4 compartments, can carry 150 kilograms in the drawer itself. So more than enough carry capacity in there. These dividers within the drawer system, they've got these little notches cut out so you can actually move these dividers as you wish and have longer, shorter, or take them out completely, and then have your produce or recovery kit. So my recovery kit's in the back there, lighting kit, kitchen and dry goods in there, and that's how we use it really. Again, it's a lockable drawer, and it works quite well. Other features of the system here are these infill pods you get on the sides, so one on either side, so it gives you a usable space just between the wheel arch and the end of this, so you don't have just a void that you can't use stuff in, so you can chuck stuff in. Currently I'm using that as a miscellaneous cable storage area, and the same again on the other side. My plan is to actually put a battery in on that side, and that's the drawer system, quick and dirty. Oh yeah, sorry, the top of this one you have these I don't actually know what you call them, these U profiles, which allows you to put in the bolts, these eye-rings, and you just twist them in and Bob's your uncle, and you can tie stuff down. Between the side of my kitchen and the edge of the fridge slide or the drawer system, as you can see, the really useful boxes fit in perfectly for me, and when we go camping we fill that with really useful boxes. The plus side of using really useful boxes is you can see what's inside. They're relatively cheap, so when you break them, they are easily replaceable, but they are durable enough to take the odd knock. And then I plan to get another ammo box to have that stacked on top and use that for miscellaneous stuff as well, because the fridge normally sits quite at the front and with the box at the back, but currently because we're not out camping I swap it around so I can actually use this area as a load space, and the ammo box helps with that a lot. Joseph, nee, poepies, as jy iets wil gaan gooi dit daar ver, nie langs die bakkie nie, okay? Of gooi dit weg van die bakkie af, okay?